Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change call display while using app in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. Sometimes when you are using app, call will be if you receive call, that call will be displayed like a mini pop-up here. I will show how it appears. I make a call from my another number, and see here. This is the call display. Okay. So here I did not use any app. And just this is the call display, and it is displaying in full screen. Suppose if I use any app, and when I use this app, I use this Google Chrome app, and if I receive any call, what will happen? See here. I am using this app, and call is coming like this pop-up. Okay, it's not coming in the full screen. It's displaying like a pop-up. If you want to change it to full screen display or any other, just you can do it. That means when you are using any app, you can change how your call display should be. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to this call button and go to this three vertical dots, click on settings here, and go to call display while using apps. And here by default it is set to smart pop-up. You can also set to mini pop-up. So see here the preview. This is smaller than the small pop-up. Okay, so this is called mini pop-up. You can also use full screen when you use any app. Okay, so whether you are using app or whether you are you are not using any app, always full screen will be displayed for call. Okay, so I have selected this. Hereafter, if I use any app, or if I am not using any app, this full screen display will be appeared for call. Okay, see here. Now I use Facebook app, and I make a call from another number to receive a call here, and full screen call display is appeared. So in this way you can easily control the call display while using app in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.